Hello and welcome to the third film in our stairs series. In it, we explain how to set the dimensions for stairs and staircases. When deciding on the width of a staircase, it's important to know that the usable width of a flight of stairs is measured between the two internal edges of the handrails. This means that if handrails are to be fitted on staircases enclosed by walls, the stairs themselves have to be wider than the necessary usable width. The usable width depends on the number of people who will be using the stairs. The minimum width for stairs in single-family homes is 80 centimeters. This increases to 100 centimeters in multi-occupancy buildings. These figures are determined not by the number of people using the stairs, but rather by the need to be able to carry bulky items up and down them. Wider staircases are dimensioned according to their planned use. A person is assumed to be 60 centimeters wide, and so staircase widths are often calculated in multiples of 60 centimeters. Now let us look at how staircase pitches are calculated. This is considerably more complicated. The pitch is determined on the basis of the step length of the average person. DIN 18065 defines the average human step length as 59 to 65 centimeters. The generally accepted standard length is 63 centimeters. In 1683, the French mathematician, engineer and architect François Blondel realized that step length of a person climbing stairs is reduced by double the rise s. In mathematical terms, this means that step length when climbing stairs is equal to step length when walking on flat ground, less twice the rise s. The normal step length on stairs is equal to the step depth a. The formula is therefore a equals 63 minus 2s. If we rearrange the equation, we get the step length rule, which is used to calculate the pitch of a staircase. When added together, 2 rises and 1 going should give a measurement of between 59 and 65 centimeters, ideally 63 centimeters. An unathletic architect might be tempted to build a less steep staircase that would require little exertion to climb, and so select a 10 centimeter rise. This would give a going of 63 minus 2 times 10 equals 43 centimeters. No such stairs exist, however, because there are also other rules to follow. The comfort rule measures how comfortably a set of stairs can be climbed. Gentle stairs are not easy to climb. The going less the rise should be 12 centimeters. In our case, however, this would give us a going of 43 minus 10, which equals 33 centimeters. This value is a far cry from our target of 12 centimeters, and our stairs would be anything but comfortable to climb. Following the safety rule ensures that stairs are safe to walk both up and down. When added together, going and rise should come to 46 centimeters. In our example, where the pitch is 10 over 43, this figure would be very different at 53 centimeters, and the stairs would not be safe. You would need to be a maths whiz to solve all 3 equations and calculate the ideal pitch. Using some less complicated maths and trial and error, we can work out that a pitch of 17 to 29 satisfies all 3 rules exactly. As the rules offer approximate values, however, you will also find other pitches that are a little steeper, such as 18 to 27, or a little gentler, such as 16 to 31. 19 to 26 and 15 to 33 are the upper and lower boundary values for typical staircase pitches. Now let us have a look at German Standard DIN 18065 to make sure we understand the difference between ramps, stairs and ladders. It defines ramps as flat surfaces with a pitch of up to 20 degrees, stairs as having a pitch of between 20 and 45 degrees, ladder type or loft stairs as having a pitch of between 45 and 75 degrees, and ladders as having a pitch of over 75 degrees. The standard classifies completely vertical ladders as step irons, but these are rarely encountered in practice. A note about top steps. Although in theory each stair rise has a corresponding tread, because the last rise leads to the landing and the landing is therefore the last tread, all staircases have one less tread than rises. As a result, the answer to the question, how long is a flight of stairs with 18 rises and a pitch of 16 to 30 in plan view, is 18 minus 1 times 30 equals 510 centimeters. Summary. The usable width of a flight of stairs depends on the number of people who will be using it and is measured between the two internal edges of the handrails. Pitch is determined on the basis of the step length of the average person. The generally accepted standard length is 63 centimeters. In a staircase, the going A and the rise S should always be in the same ratio to one another. The following equations are helpful in determining A and S. A equals 63 minus 2S, step length rule. M, A minus S equals 12 centimeters, comfort rule. And A plus S equals 46 centimeters, safety rule. Please take a look at the fourth film in our Stairs series. It deals with the various possible stair designs.